What's up, kids? Technical. I'm back again with another video today. We have two cases from Caseborne by Armadillotek. So I just want to say thank you, Caseborne, and thank you, Harmless Call, for sending me out these cases for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you know, he makes nice cases for devices, so we're just gonna unbox them. So first we're gonna do this one right here. As you can see, this is for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but this is for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. It says it's okay to drop your phone. This is a nice box you get. It tells you it's made in Frisco, Texas, USA, and it says Armadillo Inc. at the bottom here. So we're gonna open this up like so. Let's see which way to open it up. Let's see here. So I actually thought this was a screen protector, but no, it's a case. So once you open up the box, you are greeted with a card. So you can go follow them on this website. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. They're on TikTok. They have a business. They have WhatsApp, YouTube, Telegram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Reddit. So that's nice to know. And it says it's okay to drop your phone, which I like that. And then you also get another little flyer. It says thank you for your business, which if you buy something, you'll get this paper also. It says Caseborne, former Armadillotek. They're open daily, as you can see. So put that aside, and now you are greeted with the case here. You're greeted with the case. As you can see, this is the R Series Compact. R Series Compact case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So first, let's take a look around the case. So it feels nice in the hand. You have a nice hard back. As you can hear, that's very hard and sturdy. You have a nice bumper around the edges of the device. It has some kind of grip on the side here. Really feels good. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but it says Armadillotek. It says Armadillotek R, the brand of the case. Down here you get your cutouts, and in the inside you have these little orange slits in here for protection. And on the back it says Armadillotek. I don't know how well my camera's picking it up, but it says Armadillotek right here back. So now I'm gonna pick up my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm gonna place it in like so. And you have a nice fit. Feels real nice in the hand. So you have a nice button for your power button. It's nice clicky. Down here you have nice cutouts for your speakers and your USB charging port cable. You also have a nice cutout for your alert slider. Nice clicky buttons for your volume up and down. You have little feet on the top here, so if the case falls like this, it's good and protected. On the back here you have a nice cut out for your camera. Overall, it looks nice and it feels nice. You do get some lip action. You get a nice raised lip on that case there. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, you get a nice raised lip here. So if you drop your phone down flat like this, it's good. And like the card says, it's okay to drop your phone. So with that being said, if your phone dropped, I'm not saying just go out there and drop it, but if it dropped with this case on, and if you had a screen protector on here, you should have nothing to worry about, especially if you place it flat on the table. But this is a nice looking case from Caseborne. I like that it has these feet at the bottom for good protection if it falls on this side. So this is a black case with a clear back on it. So now we're gonna do their next case that they sent out to me. But yeah, I'm really liking this case. This case, I like it a lot. Now we're coming for the heavy duty. This is the Armadillo V. This is called the Armadillo V. As you can see, this is like an outer box case, but their version of it. But what I love about this is, look, you have Army people here, so that lets you know this is Army certified. And in the back here, you have all the different little scenarios of people being in the Army. So this case is really good for drops. With this case, you really don't have to worry about dropping your phone. And it has a nice box. It says military grade protection. That's what you want a case to say. That's how you know if your case is a real good case for drops. Military grade protection. On this side, you get their website, so where you can go buy more cases. I'll try to put a link to the website in the description. So they sent me, this is like violet. I guess you want to say violet with a little purple on it. So we're gonna unbox this one. As you can see, slides up like so, and you are greeted with the case, the back of the case. This is a two-part case, so you're greeted with the back, and you also get a sticker, another thing. It says, this says thank you. It's a nice touch. It says thank you. This is a little pamphlet on showing you how to put the case on the phone, but like I said, I don't need this. And you get the front screen protector to the case, and you also get another thank you for your business. Now this is good. This is real nice. It says thank you for your business, shows you the days that they're open. This is a nice touch. This says very important, so if you want to pause the video, you can read that for yourself. But let's get to the case. So now this is a two-part case. So these kind of cases, I like to put the front on first, and it also has a screen protector built in. So put it on like so, and then you want to take the back of the case, put it in. But as you can see, this case has a honeycomb design, and this is like a nice foam. So if your phone falls down, it's not scratching in the back of your case is not scratching the back of your phone, because it has this nice foam protection in the back here, and that's a really nice touch. And on the side, you have nice little ridges for comfort, for a comfortable hold in the hand. So you want to place your device in like so. With these kind of cases, you want to make sure that everything lines up right and everything clicks and snaps in the grooves. If they don't click and snap in the grooves, that means you do not have the case on the right way. So once everything is in the right way, yes, this is a kind of tough case, but I'd rather it be tough to give me more protection. So once you have everything nice and it's sealed, this is what this case will look like. Yes, this case gives a lot of bulk to your device, but that's good if you're a person that wants your phone to be very protected. So with this, you don't have to worry. You could drop this case all day long, flip it, flop it. You don't have to worry, because this is like an OtterBox case. As you can see, it has nice grips right here, and you get your volume button. It's clicky, nice and clicky, not hard to push. On this side, you get your speakers. You also get a flap for your USB cable, which is nice. On this side, volume up and down, they're nice and clicky. A nice cutout for your alert slider. On the back here, you have little screws, little colorful screws. That's nice. You get a nice cutout for your camera. You also get a kickstand. I love a case that has a kickstand. So if you want to look at something on your phone, but you don't want to hold it, you can use the kickstand in this mode, or you can use it in this mode when you're watching a movie or watching something on YouTube. But yes, this case here has little feet on it like the other case right there for good protection. If your phone falls this way, it's very good and very protected. So this was just a video of me unboxing their cases. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.